Science can back up the safety of things we implement into our lives, which can then better our lives and even save them. I'm going to be talking today about sexual fluidity in nature and how humans have very fluid gender as well. Let's go into the science behind it. Now you may be thinking, sex and gender, aren't those two things different? You're absolutely right. Sex can be determined by many different things. The hormones that are within our body, or of course chromosomes. Females have two X chromosomes, males have an X and Y chromosome. These can then appear as sex characteristics like a vagina, a penis, and then which can then develop into secondary sex characteristics that occur during puberty. And someone can be born with two X and one Y chromosome, or with an XYY. It can exhibit intersex traits, which are a combination of male and female sexual characteristics. And so that brings up the question, what about gender? Gender is the social construct that we define ourselves. Where do intersex people lie in terms of gender? This can be determined for themselves. Both gender and sex are very fluid things, and intersex people are living proof that neither one of those things are set in stone. Now this last and final point that I want to make, and which is why I'm here in this beautiful forest here today, is the point that there is evidence of there being sexual fluidity, like there being the existence of intersex people, but within nature and other species. Did you know that gynandromorphs can have a combination of different patterns that are sex-specific traits? Did you know that butterflies of one sex can exhibit butterfly wing patterns of the opposite sex? Bearded dragons and beluga whales can also be intersex as well. Not to mention, on a completely separate note, how sexuality in nature is totally fluid as well, and dolphins are actually incredibly bisexual. In conclusion, sex, gender, and on that separate note, sexuality are all a lot more, incredibly more fluid than we may think. Not only in humans is it present, but also in a lot of different other species. And we should all be allowed to feel comfortable in our body. Stay true to yourself, and as a non-binary teen living in Texas, this topic means so much to me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed.